Nothing, the brainchild of CarlPay, is gearing up to launch the Nothing Phone 2 as a premium offering. Following their confirmation at MWC 2023, CarlPay took to Twitter to announce that the Phone 2 will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, offering significant upgrades over its predecessor. CarlPay tested the Phone 2 and found that app opening speed is twice as fast, with an impressive 80% performance improvement. The Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 brings enhancements to battery life, network connectivity, and camera capabilities, featuring an 18-bit ISP for advanced camera features like RAW HDR and 4K recording at 60 frames per second. Despite the latest technology, CarlPay assures that the Phone 2 will remain accessible and deliver a significantly improved user experience. The Nothing Phone 2 is expected to come with a 6.55-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display, an in-display fingerprint sensor, a 50MP primary camera with OIS, and multiple storage variants. Stay tuned for more updates.